Ever had your Apple Watch Ultra 3 die right when you needed it most? Don't worry. Today we're exploring the 4 best portable power banks of 2025, designed to keep your watch alive wherever you go. Welcome to my channel. Check the links below and power up smartly, anytime, anywhere. The number 4 product on our list is Scosche Power Bank. The Scosche Power Bank feels like freedom packed into a sleek, travel-ready design. Imagine never worrying about your Apple Watch Ultra 3 or iPhone dying mid-adventure. This compact beast delivers power that truly keeps up with your lifestyle. With 30 WPD fast charging, it revives your iPhone to 50% in just half an hour, eliminating the long waits that ruin momentum. The built-in magnetic Apple Watch dock feels genius, turning every stop into a mini charging station without tangled cables. It's the kind of smart, thoughtful design that shows this charger was built for travelers, gamers, and creators who move fast. The 10,000 mAh capacity easily handles multiple devices, so whether it's your phone, watch, or earbuds, you're covered in one go. Unlike bulkier power banks, it slips into your pocket, yet performs like a powerhouse. Tested in real-world use, it feels dependable, efficient, and premium, an easy recommendation for anyone who values reliable energy and elegant portability wherever life takes them. The third one on our list is Zilker Power Bank. The Zilker Power Bank brings peace of mind to anyone who relies on their Apple Watch Ultra 3 through long days, workouts, or travels. Its 2,500 mAh capacity may look small, but in real-world use, it's surprisingly powerful. Charging your watch up to 3 times without breaking a sweat, the magnetic surface locks perfectly, giving a stable connection every time, while the USB-C interface makes recharging quick and modern. What stands out most is how effortlessly it fits into your daily life. Lightweight, compact, and built with the kind of simplicity that just works. No tangled cables, no complicated setup, just tap, charge, and go. Compared to bulkier chargers, the Zilker feels thoughtfully balanced between portability and performance. Its safety protections give that added layer of confidence, preventing overheating or overcharging during travel. For anyone tired of unreliable portable chargers, this one feels like a smart investment. Sleek, dependable, and truly tested for real-world comfort wherever your adventures take you. Number 2 is HUOTO Power Bank. The HUOTO Power Bank feels like a tiny lifesaver for Apple Watch Ultra 3 users who are always on the move. Its compact, keychain-sized design hides a powerful 1,200 mAh battery that quietly steps in when your watch hits low power. The magnetic connection snaps perfectly into place, starting the charge instantly. No cables, no setup, just pure convenience. What really makes it stand out is the portability. It's so light, you can hang it on your bag or keys without even noticing it's there. The frosted texture feels premium in hand, while the color indicator adds a smart touch, letting you know the charge level at a glance. Compared to larger power banks, HUOTO focuses on practicality over bulk. It's meant for real life, not just specs on paper. Built-in safety protection gives peace of mind while traveling, and the Type-C port makes recharging quick. For those who want effortless, stylish, and reliable power backup, this compact companion truly delivers. Now, moving to the last one is i.VALUX Power Bank. The i.VALUX Power Bank is that small yet powerful gadget you didn't know you needed until your Apple Watch hits 5% during a busy day. With its 1,000 mAh battery packed inside a pocket-sized design, it brings instant relief when power anxiety strikes. The magnetic connector snaps perfectly, charging your watch fully in just about 2.5 hours. What I love most is how travel-friendly it feels. Light, slim, and easy to hook onto a keychain or bag. Whether you're on a morning run, mid-flight, or just stuck in meetings, it quietly does its job without fuss. Compared to bulkier power banks, i.VALUX feels effortless, focused purely on your Apple Watch, and that simplicity makes it stand out. The built-in protection system adds peace of mind, keeping your device safe from overheating or overcharging. Tested for real-world comfort, it's perfect for travelers, fitness lovers, or anyone who values convenience over clutter. A thoughtful, practical choice that truly earns its spot in your everyday carry. So guys, this was the video about the 4 best Apple Watch Ultra 3 portable power banks 2025. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.